In this video, I want to take you through some of the basics of Joomla. This is Joomla 4.1.0 dashboard, the home dashboard. When you come to the dashboard, you have some components here. We have some site where you can add the users who are going to access your system. Then articles, if you want to write articles, article categories. And then you have the media, so these has images and videos, that's where you add. And then you have modules and plugins. If you remember in our introduction video, we said you can download and extend your Joomla. So if you go to extensions, there are so many plugins and modules that you can download so that you can extend the functionality of your Joomla website. So when you do, that's where you come and add it. Like for example, one of the modules that we downloaded and we want to extend is SP Page Builder. So if for example, if you go to the modules, here you find it, you have the SP Page Builder as an extension module that will help us. For example, one of the modules that we have installed is the SP Page Builder that we are going to use to create our website. So if you go to modules, you find we have the SP Page Builder. And if you go back to our Joomla website, you can see there are so many extensions and plugins that you can download to extend your Joomla the website or functionality. If for example it's about photos and images, for example if you want a slideshow, you go there, here you go, you can see there are so many. Of course, some you have to buy and some you have to, and some are free, so you can download here. So once you download, you go to your Joomla and go to system, and this is where you update or you upload your extensions. So here you click extension, there you go, and you can browse or install. See here you can install from a folder, from a URL, or from a web. So any can do of this to extend your extension. As you can see, this one will be easy. So here, this one is same as this. So instead of going here and downloading the extension or the plugin, you can install it direct from here. So if you go back to our dashboard, actually whatever is here is actually a shortcut of what you have in the left menu here. So the other one is the system, where you can create your cache, you can do your global configuration, some configuration, and then you have a notification. If you have any notification in your Joomla website, you can see here they are saying that our Joomla is up to date, but we have an update for plugins. So if you click here, you see there is an update for plugins. So it gives you notification of what's happening in your Joomla website. And remember, this is only for Joomla 4.1. This is a new dashboard for Joomla 4.1. So you can see here they are saying that our SP Page Builder is 3.85, but they have updated to 3.86. So all you have need to do is just click and just click update, and it is going to update your extensions. So the other one is the latest actions are being displayed here. And then you have the sample data. If you are new and you want to try Joomla, you can install the sample data for your website to see how it actually works. And new installations. The content here is where you add the content to your website. You want to write articles, categories, featured articles, field, groups, media, administrator modules. Then you have the menus. This is where you add the menus to your website. We have the the main menu, like for example here, the footer menu, all the main types of menu you want to light, you do it on this part. Then we have the components. All the components you have actually added to your website will come here. Like here you have banners. Remember we added one SP page builder, that's why we have it here, and we are going to use it to create our pages. Then you have the users. This is where you manage your users to access your website, groups, access levels, privacy, messaging. This is where you access your users. Then you have the system. Here you have the global configurations, extensions, templates. So this is important, especially for templates. For example, if you go to site template styles, you find our framework here, Shaper, Ultimate, Helix, Ultimate. So this is where you can modify your templates. You can see it here. So system, this is where you manage the templates. You can manage the extensions, the updates, the information, maintenance, database. Here, there you go. And of course the help if you need any help. So basically this is just a shortcut to some of the frequently used items in their Joomla dashboard. Otherwise, if you want to go to specific items, you can actually use this menu to get access to. So basically this is the basic structure or basics items in Joomla dashboard. And we are going now to start developing the website step by step without leaving any steps, so that we can come up with our website. Remember to check the complete website we are going to make in the first video of this series. Also, if you are new to Joomla, there are some of the resources that you can start with to know more about Joomla content management system. So if you go to Joomla website, here you can see here, Learn Joomla. So here you find a tutorial how to manage a Joomla website, how to create a Joomla website, and how to understand different types of parts or content of the Joomla. So this is good tutorial to start by. So if you are new to Joomla, please check this out. Documentation. You can go to the documentation, Joomla documentation. Learn more about Joomla website, beginners, administrators, developers. So if you're a beginner, here you have a guide how to start your website. So these are some of the good resources that you can check by. If you are really new to Joomla and you don't know how this type of content management operates, they also have community and support. You can join the community where you can ask questions and group discussion about various issues concerning the Joomla website. So, and if you're a developer, you have your resources there. So Joomla is a good content management system that can help you, or you can make any web application or the website with. Okay, if you are new here, please like this video and press a comment. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, because it really makes a huge difference. So I'll see you in the next video.